Hey there, real-life truth followers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the psychological facts in our daily life. Today we come with special video that will explore top tips to help you make an older woman love you more than before. Building and nurturing love in any relationship requires effort, understanding, and genuine care. When it comes to an older woman, there may be unique considerations to keep in mind: communication and connection. Effective communication is key to any successful relationship. Take the time to truly listen to her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Show genuine interest in her life and what matters to her. Engage in meaningful conversations that allow both of you to connect on a deeper level. Respect and appreciation. Respect is fundamental in any relationship, regardless of age. Treat her with the utmost respect and appreciation. Acknowledge her wisdom, experiences, and achievements. Show gratitude for the positive impact she has had on your life. Express your appreciation through both words and actions. Small gestures of kindness and thoughtfulness can go a long way in making her feel valued and loved. Remember to acknowledge her individuality and avoid making assumptions based on her age. Shared interests and activities. Find common interests and activities that you both enjoy. Whether it's a shared hobby, a love for the arts, or a passion for travel, engaging in activities together can strengthen your bond, create memorable experiences, and cherish the time you spend together. At the same time, respect her need for personal space and independence. Encourage her to pursue her own interests and support her in maintaining a sense of autonomy within the relationship. Emotional support and understanding. Offering emotional support and understanding is crucial in nurturing love with an older woman. Be empathetic and attentive to her emotional needs. Validate her feelings and provide a safe space for her to express herself without judgment. Quality time and affection. Make an effort to spend quality time together. Whether it's a romantic dinner, a leisurely stroll, or simply enjoying each other's company, prioritize the time you share. Show affection and demonstrate your love through meaningful gestures and physical touch. Be attentive to her love language and express your affection in ways that resonate with her. Remember that love and affection can be expressed in various forms, so be attuned to her preferences and needs. Patience and understanding. Building a deeper love with an older woman may require patience and understanding. Recognize that she may have past experiences and relationships that have shaped her perspective on love and commitment. Approach the relationship with empathy and an open mind. Allow the love between you to grow and evolve naturally. Avoid placing pressure on her or rushing the progression of the relationship. Embrace the journey and cherish the moments you share as you continue to strengthen your bond. Embracing her wisdom and experience. One of the greatest advantages of being with an older woman is the wealth of wisdom and life experience she brings to the relationship. Embrace and appreciate this aspect of her. Seek to learn from her and value the insights she can offer on various aspects of life. Adaptability and flexibility. Relationships with older women may require a certain degree of adaptability and flexibility from your end. Understand that her needs, desires, and priorities may differ from those of a younger woman, and be willing to accommodate these differences. Be open to exploring new experiences and activities that she enjoys, even if they are outside of your comfort zone. Approach these new experiences with an open mind and a willingness to learn and grow together. Emotional maturity and stability. Older women often seek emotional maturity and stability in their partners. Demonstrate your ability to handle challenges and emotions with grace and composure. Avoid drama, impulsive behavior, or any actions that may come across as immature or unstable. Show that you are a reliable and dependable partner who can provide the emotional support and security she desires. Be patient, level-headed, and able to navigate difficult conversations or situations with empathy and understanding. Your emotional maturity and stability can be a significant draw for an older woman, as it reflects your ability to be a nurturing and supportive partner throughout the relationship's ups and downs. Respect for her independence. Older women often value their independence and autonomy. Respect and encourage her to maintain a sense of individuality within the relationship. Avoid smothering her or trying to control her life and decisions. Encourage her to pursue her own interests, hobbies, and social connections. Provide her with the space and freedom to explore these aspects of her life without feeling the need to be by her side constantly. Demonstrate your trust in her and your willingness to support her in maintaining her independence. This can be a significant factor in making an older woman feel truly appreciated and respected in the relationship. Embracing her maturity and confidence. Older women often possess a level of maturity and confidence that can be incredibly attractive. Embrace and appreciate these qualities rather than viewing them as a hindrance. Recognize that her maturity and confidence may come from a lifetime of experiences and self-discovery. Admire her ability to navigate life with a sense of purpose and self-assurance, and let her know that you find these qualities admirable. Avoid making comparisons to younger women or attempting to mold her into a different version of herself. Appreciate her for who she is and the unique perspective she brings to the relationship. Shared experiences and lifestyles. Older women may have different life experiences and lifestyles compared to younger counterparts. Embrace the opportunity to learn from these differences and find ways to align your lives in a meaningful way. Explore shared interests, values, and goals that can bring you together. Whether it's a passion for travel, a commitment to community service, or a love for cultural events, finding common ground can help strengthen the bond between you. Be open to adapting your lifestyle or routines to better accommodate her needs and preferences. This shows your willingness to create a harmonious and fulfilling partnership where both of your needs are respected and addressed. Navigating potential challenges. While relationships with older women can be incredibly rewarding, there may be some potential challenges to navigate. It's important to approach these challenges with empathy, understanding, and a willingness to work through them together. Nurturing a long-term connection. Ultimately, the key to making an older woman love you more than before is to nurture a long-term, deeply fulfilling connection. This requires ongoing effort, commitment, and a genuine understanding of her needs and desires. Continuously work on improving communication, maintaining mutual respect, and fostering a sense of emotional and intellectual intimacy. Celebrate milestones, cherish shared experiences, and be willing to evolve and grow together as the relationship progresses. Conclusion. Building a deeper love with an older woman involves nurturing a strong emotional connection, demonstrating respect and appreciation, and being attentive to her individual needs. By fostering open communication, sharing meaningful experiences, and offering unwavering support, you can cultivate a love that continues to flourish. Continuously work on improving communication, maintaining mutual respect, and fostering a sense of emotional and intellectual intimacy. Celebrate milestones, cherish shared experiences, and be willing to evolve and grow together as the relationship progresses. Remember that love is a dynamic and ever-changing process. Be patient, adaptable, and willing to put in the work to ensure that your connection with an older woman only deepens and strengthens over time. With dedication and a genuine commitment to her, you can create a truly remarkable and enduring love.